crowds. Tiara made of fireflies, a cape of woven breeze, necklaces from rainbow drops that sway just like the trees. The fashion fairies giggle, they strike a stylish pose, with butterflies as buttons and threads from twilight's rose. On the catwalk in the clouds, twirl your wings and sing out loud. Gliding gowns of velvet skies, with sparkles dancing in your eyes. Feathers, petals, glitter, lace, every fairy finds her place. On the catwalk in the clouds, so float and shine and wow the crowds. No need for magic mirrors, you're shining as you are. Each dress is stitched with kindness and sewn from every star. Be bold, be bright, be fairy free, you're perfect just as you can be. On the catwalk in the clouds, twirl your wings and sing out loud. Wings aglow and spirits high, we're fashion fairies in the sky. So fly and twirl with joy and grace, there's magic in your style and space. On the catwalk in the clouds,